Hi guys, time to meet the babies. We're going to start with Cyrus. Cyrus was the first one born. I gave him a little black collar. He's got all his color already, his nose, his little footsies. He's adorable. I just love him. They're 10 days old today. That is Cyrus. He weighs over a pound already. And then next one born was Miss Willow. Yes, Sally, check your baby. Good mama. And this is little Willow. She is a squirmer wormer, aren't ya? She's got some nice coloring too. She's nice and dark. I think they're going to look a lot like Finn. And then next born was our runt. One of our runts. We have two. This is Oliver. He's almost a pound. They're all pretty close. He's little bitty. But they've all doubled their weight. They're all doing great. And then next was Mr. Blue. Yep, check him, make sure he's okay. She's doing so good. This is Riley. Riley is the one that likes to bark in his sleep and scream. Hear him? He's got to get used to being handled. I've been picking him up every day and handling them and petting them. All right, go with Sissy. And then next we have Winston, Mr. Gray. They're either a pound or they're very close to a pound. I have 3 that hit the 1 pound mark today. He's a cutie. I like Winston. And then we have Ruby. Ruby Doo, where are you? Where is she?
Right here.
Oh, here she is. Ruby was our puppy that had the umbilical bleed. So her belly looks pretty good. Give me that. Not right now, honey. But her suture fell out by itself today. So we go to the vet tomorrow to get checked out for our evaluation. And she was another runt. She was only 5 ounces when she was born. But we love her. Ruby Doo. Huh? She's a sweetie. She's so healthy. We have very good luck with her. Ellie, give me that quick. Give me the quick. No? So there they are. They're all growing. They all love me. They crawl all over me. And I'm my happy place. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.